Okay, video blog check everybody, Azrael here, and we are doing a video reaction. I'm going to watch the Rebel Moon teaser trailer. This is my first time to watch the Rebel Moon. It's a movie from Zack Snyder. Yes. Ito manonood tayo ito. At before I watch this, let me show you. Nagpadala nga pala si Netflix ng mga Rebel Moon swag. So pakita ko sa inyo. So this is the Rebel Moon swag na binigay nila as a Christmas gift. I'm not sure, for part of the promotion of Rebel Moon, which is streaming now in Netflix. So nagpadala sila ng magandang bag, and also ito yung parang sling bag eh. Ayan, there's a Rebel Moon logo at Netflix logo. It says exclusive merchandise from Netflix Philippines. So this is the Rebel Moon na sling bag na kulay brown. Very out of this world yung style ng kanilang bag. At may kasama silang mga bracelet, no, which is parang nasa loob ng bag. Hindi ko pa napapanood yung movie or ano bang kinalaman nito dito sa series na to or sa movie na ito, itong mga bracelet na to. So doon sa loob ng bag may mga pouches at may mga pangalan na Velt, Dagos. I'm not sure kung ano yan. At kay Velt may mga maraming I think 5 kinds of parang pendant or keychain. Kay Dagos may isang keychain. Si Neo Wodi may keychain din. Si Pollux may keychain. Hindi ako sure kung characters ba ito, no? Or pangalan ng planet or place, hindi ko alam. So si Sharan, meron siyang keychain. At meron siyang kasamang magandang parang apocalyptic hoodie. Ayan, this is yung itsura ko, no? Apocalyptic hoodie na kung saan it's part of the movie, kung saan suot-suot to ng character. Doon nakita ko sa teaser trailer, teaser poster. Okay, let's watch now the trailer. At para kasi mamayang gabi baka panoorin ko na to. I need to perfect silence, no? Parang sa bahay i-absorb natin to kasi maganda raw tong movie na to, sabi nila eh. So let's watch the trailer. Here we go. Wow, akala ko kamay ni Dr. Doom eh. Sino to? Sauron? Princess Isa. Sino kaya itong Princess Isa na to? The Redeemer. Mm. Mm-hmm. Whoa. Mm-hmm. Very sci-fi. Mga invaders, I think. Wow. Parang Imperial squad. Wow. Babae pala yung bida. What the? Pagka Starship Troopers, Wow. Wow, may lightsaber. Yung Star Wars. What the hell? Medyo sobrang deep ng pagka-sci-fi nito, Masyadong deep. Okay. Emperor Palpatine style. Wow, spaceships. Parang may saber siya dun, no? Zack Snyder. Wow, masyadong action, Wow. Mga mythical creatures. Wow. 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 Very very sci-fi. Oh, this is Sparta. Wow, may mga droids. Wow.
Who among you is willing to die for what you believe?
Rebel Moon. Parang Star Wars, Rebels. Part 1, Child of Fire ba? So it means it's a saga. Part 2. Oh. Wow, may chapters. This is nice, Zack Snyder. Netflix. So, ayan, that's it. Ano ba masabi ko for this trailer? And very exciting siya, pero masyadong deep yung kanyang pagka-sci-fi. I'm not sure this is not for everyone, no? Pero talaga if you're a sci-fi fan or fantasy fan, have to check it. Parang minix niya yung sci-fi plus some kind of Lord of the Ring, Harry Potter, lahat na ng sci-fi, fantasy pinagsama. Mukhang malupit. Kasi may mga mythical creatures pero ang weird, no? Sana sci-fi tas mythical creatures. That is so weird. Kano lang sa isip ni Zack Snyder. Alright, so that's it for our video reaction. Merry Christmas everybody. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-post ng video. I need to do more of this para ma-hyper tayo bago mag-end of the year 2023. So see you at manood tayo sa Netflix Philippines. Thank you so much Netflix sa pinadala niyong swag. Kita-kit sa inyong next show here sa Netflix Philippines. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Alright, bye-bye. Manood na tayo.